Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday, but as you can tell by the title, today I'm doing a what I eat in a day to get back on track. I've been a little bit behind on my upload schedule. Honestly, this past weekend has been just so busy, and I actually also injured my back, so I haven't been able to move and get off my couch in a good few days. I've been just laying all day long with a heating pad in pain, and I'm finally happy to say that I can move today, and I'm feeling a lot better than I was, although I definitely still have an injured back, but it is getting there, so that is always good. But I wanted to film this video because, as you guys may know, I've been on this fitness journey now since January, and I'm happy to say that I've been able to lose 25 pounds. So I've been so happy and proud, and I've just been feeling my best physically and mentally. I've been just really trying to put a lot of focus on attention on taking care of myself this year, and I've been feeling really great. However, whenever I have like a busy weekend, sometimes it's easy to fall off track because you're so on the go. You're not really keeping up with your water drinking, or sometimes you can't keep up necessarily with a clean diet depending on what you have around you, and it just kind of throws you off track, which is what happened to me this weekend. And also with injuring my back on top of that, I've kind of been out of commission for the last few days. So I wanted to get back to my clean diet and keeping up with my hydration, because that is just when I feel my best. And I wanted to share with you a typical what I eat in a day for when I'm on track, when I'm on my best routine, and just the typical foods I like to eat that have been helping me in order to feel my best and lose those 25 pounds. So of course it is morning. I just got ready. I started off the day a little bit later because I have been just sleeping in a little bit, resting more for my back, of course. And I haven't been able to work out recently because of it, unfortunately, which has been honestly so frustrating. But of course, I don't want to injure my back anymore. But I did wake up a little bit later because of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get a start right on breakfast. And before I start with breakfast, I'm gonna go and fill up a few glasses of water and drink that on an empty stomach. I always like to start off with hydrating myself. You know, you go and sleep for 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours, or however long you do without drinking. So you wanna make sure you hydrate yourself, and that always helps me. So I'm gonna go do that first, and then I'm gonna make my typical breakfast that I always like to have when I am getting back on track, or I'm just trying to follow my typical clean eating routine. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and head right into the kitchen. And made my go-to breakfast, and that is oats. Whenever I feel like I'm off track and I just want to get back on track, I always like to make oatmeal for breakfast. It is definitely one of my go-to breakfasts I have very often, and I really like it because it makes me feel full and satisfied for a long time. So if I know I'm gonna have a busy day, I always like to have oats in the morning because it will keep me content and I won't be like feeling really hungry early on in the day. I just went ahead and put half a cup of these whole grain Canadian oats, and then I went ahead and sprinkled cinnamon, of course. And something I've been adding recently is some organic chia seeds. I picked this bag up from Costco, and it's really great because it's just gonna give more fiber, more potassium, calcium, and even more protein. And then I topped it off with a banana. Something I recommend if you want your oats to be a little bit sweeter, something I sometimes do. Today I did not, but I wanted to mention it because it's definitely something I do, is I like to add a 1/4 teaspoon of real maple syrup. It makes it taste so delicious. So if you find that you want to sweeten up your oats or you're not that into it, add a little bit of maple syrup and it will taste super delicious. And of course you could top it with whatever you like berries. I go back and forth depending on the fruit I have on hand. But today I'm just having a banana, which is also going to give me some more potassium. And I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and also drink water. This is, I believe, my 3rd glass of water. I've been sipping on it in the morning and when I was making my oats. So I'm gonna go ahead and have that, drink water throughout the day. Whenever I feel like I've been off track or busy on the weekend, I usually always never keep up with my water drinking when I'm out and about and it's just a really busy time. So when I'm able to get back on track, I get back to having my water all throughout the day. It just always makes me feel better when I'm keeping up with hydration. Whenever I'm dehydrated, I just feel more nauseous, I get headaches more often, and on top of it, I get really bloated when I'm super dehydrated. Is anyone else like me? That is totally me. Whenever I'm keeping up with my water drinking throughout the week, I feel less bloated. And then I'm gonna catch you guys up once I'm having lunch or whenever I'm having also any snacks. I will definitely go ahead and make sure to tell you guys and share with you guys what I'm eating throughout the day. But I'm definitely hungry, so I wanna go get a start on my breakfast and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Currently lunchtime and I just grabbed my lunch out of the fridge. So let me share with you what is on the menu for today. So today I actually have some pasta salad. So this is what it is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a bowl. I just have some pasta, of course. There's olives, green peppers, red peppers, tomatoes, and a little bit of feta cheese. And then on top of my salad, I'm gonna go ahead and put this chicken breast. I picked these up from Costco. They're really handy. This is great to have on the go when you just want some more protein added into your meals. So this has 150 calories, 4 grams of fat, and 24 grams of protein. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this into my pasta salad once I put my pasta salad into my bowl. There's also red onions in here as well, which I totally forgot. But there's just lemon and olive oil and vinegar. Salads are always my go-to for lunch. Today is a little bit different because I'm gonna have pasta salad. I've been having that sometimes. If not, you will definitely catch me just having a regular salad with like romaine lettuce and the same kind of veggies in it with chicken. I absolutely love pasta salads. I love honestly anything pasta, but pasta salads are one of my favorites. Salad in my bowl. I forgot to mention as well as there is also chickpeas in this. And yeah, I just went ahead and added the cooked chicken breast and I'm gonna eat this and then catch you guys when I am eating something else. This is so delicious. I'm so excited to just eat this all. 10 out of 10. Lunch done. I am currently about to have a snack. So I just have some carrots and cucumbers and then I have this little guacamole packet. So I've been loving having veggies with either this or hummus, but if you guys don't know, I picked these up from Costco and they're actually super great. They're these guac organic mini cup. They have really clean ingredients and they're just great to have on the go whenever you want a snack. I've even put this on toast and then an egg on top. They're really convenient and I really like how they come in a good portion size. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat my veggies and then I'm gonna catch you guys up once I am making dinner. Update, I'm currently going to get a start on dinner. For dinner, I'm gonna make some ground turkey. I'm gonna share with you guys how I am going to spice it up. I've been doing something a little bit different recently with my ground turkey, and then I'm gonna have some sort of vegetable. I'm gonna get a start on dinner because it's going to take a little bit, and I always like to have it ready to go because I typically like to finish eating every single day by 6 p.m. latest. That's just, I find, works for me. I do try to go to bed pretty early, so I like to finish off at that time. I don't really like to snack at nighttime and just eat too much in the nighttime. I always find that I just don't feel good. I get a tummy ache, and it's better when I just have a little bit of time before I go to bed without eating anything. I went ahead and took the ground turkey out of the fridge and I'm going to start cooking it shortly, but I want to share with you what I put on top of it. So sometimes I do like to just season it with spices, which I've done a video and I'll link that above where I show how I spice my ground turkey to give it more flavor. But recently I've been loving adding some sauce, some pasta sauce into my ground turkey to just give it a little bit more flavor. It just tastes super good, it just tastes a lot more juicier, and that's what I've been doing lately. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my ground turkey. To oil my pan, I've been loving just using this Chosen Foods avocado oil spray. This is my go-to oil I've been using to cook my food. Avocado oil is really great to cook with because it has a high heat point. It's also gonna give you those healthy fats. This is how my dinner came out. I just had my ground turkey and broccoli. I was gonna make sweet potatoes, which I normally do, but unfortunately, I thought I had some sweet potatoes left, but I don't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this as my last meal for the day. And that concludes my what I eat in a day to get back on track. I'm feeling so much better now that I'm home and I kept up with my water drinking throughout the whole day and just ate healthy. This is a typical day of eating for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you did. Let me know any other requests you want me to do. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!